Yeah. What is that? It's ridiculous.
February. Honestly, making these videos wasn't planned at all. Hence why it's a bit all over the place. I didn't sit down and write out any scenarios or structure. I just pressed record and that's it. And sometimes I forgot to even do that, which led to a lot of oh shits over the months. For some reason, we all feel like we need a plan, a perfect storyline, like life is some movie script we have to follow. But let's be real, life doesn't really work like that, does it? Sometimes it's just moments. A little messy, a little random. Yet somehow when we look back, it all stitches together into something meaningful. It's not the first time I've taken a leap of faith and stepped away from being a responsible adult, like quitting a job with nothing lined up. I know that sounds terrifying to many, but I've always had this innate feeling that it's all gonna be okay. Like the ground beneath my feet isn't going anywhere. Or maybe I'm just delusional. Who really knows?
You fucking anti-Semite pieces of shit. I don't even identify as Jewish. I don't know if you do. I'm a bad Jew. I am. I thought a yarmulke was a Japanese motorbike.
I'm not the type to draw a clear path, make 5-year goals, or stick to to-do lists. I don't know if it's the right way, but it just doesn't feel natural to me. And it's kind of freeing not knowing exactly where my life is going. Living in uncertainty, letting go of expectations. There is no pressure to hit any mark or make it all make sense. I'm just figuring it out as I go.
Managın tabiriniz.
We live in a world where everything feels super curated and intentional, but I think the best stuff usually comes from just going with the flow. So for now, I'm letting life unfold, embracing whatever comes my way without trying to fight it. And you know what? I'm totally okay with it being a little chaotic.
And the rain comes down.